In this video, you will learn 11 plus non-verbal reasoning type 8, nets and cubes, part 1. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to master 11 plus exam techniques to land in your dream grammar school, start right now by subscribing and clicking on the bell so you don't miss anything. Before we start the nets and cubes questions, let's have a look at what are nets and what are cubes. Let's start with cubes first. Cubes are symmetrical 3D shapes with 6 faces or 6 sides. They also have 8 vertices and they have 12 edges. Now let's have a look at a real cube. As you guys could see, a cube is a symmetrical 3D shape with 6 faces. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and finally 6. We also have 8 vertices. This is one of the vertices. And we have 12 edges, and this one edge, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Now let's move to nets. Let's have a look at nets now. Nets are 2D shapes that can be folded to make cubes. So as you guys could see, we have 11 different nets that can be folded to make a cube. Now, as you guys could see, we have the same colors at different places. This is because the same colors represent the opposite sides. So these two sides are opposite, these two sides are opposite, and these two sides are also opposite. So the same color we have means they're opposite sides. Now let's have a real cube to get further understanding. So as you guys know, a net is a 2D shape used to fold to make into cubes. So as I said before, we have 11 nets that can be made into cubes. So let's fold this one. So this is a 3D aid for nets and cubes. If you guys are wondering what this is an aid for constructing the cube to gain a better understanding of how the net folds in a far more effective way. So the link's in the description below and in the comments section. So go check that out. Now to learn more on non-verbal reasoning types, click the video on the right, and to learn the previous type, click the video on the left. So take your pick. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.